How to view Instagram Insights on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can view Instagram Insights on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to view the Instagram Insights on your iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. So it's not a question of iPhone or Android, it's actually a question of professional account, because the Insight option is only available for professional accounts. So whenever you open up your Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and then come to your profile page, if you don't have a professional account, you won't be able to view Insight. But if you have, you'll see this option that says professional dashboard. So now when you tap on it, you'll be able to see all the insights of every account that you've reached, engaged, the followers you've gained, and the content you've shared, and all of the other tools over here as well. So it's not a question of Android or iPhone, but a question of professional or personal account, because the Insight option is only available for professional account. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.